respected IBR management, all the record holders and parents. A warm good morning, everyone. Myself, I am Arohi's mother, Harika Bommena. I am working as a manager in Nationalized Bank, Union Bank of India, and my husband is working as a software engineer. Why I am telling my profession? Being a working woman, how it tough to train kids and how to apply in the such type of records in such type of platforms. Now I want to know this. I want to tell a story. Actually. What happens? First of all, I appreciate IBR team to such a wonderful platform it is to recognize all the talents all over India. Hats off to the team actually because हमारा देश के लिए इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे सीरियसली हैट्स ऑफ टू द इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड टीम because of this IBR appreciation my daughter became famous in her school. Wow. Now this is the power of IBR record now. Coming to my daughter, she is 2 years 11 months old, got placed into the prestigious Indian Book of Record. We are feeling very much proud for this moment, extraordinary achievement. This her life just began. Now she has already become famous, and we are interested. We are very much thrilled to know the further achievements also. So many people bahar पूछ रहे मेरे को how did you make this possible for her at this tender age? One thing I want to tell from my side to every parent and to every mother, one message I want to convey on this forum today. If you spend at least 1 hour with your kids in entire day, this will possible definitely, because nowadays everybody they became addicted to mobile phones, laptops and everything. Please detox, digital detox has to happen. You have to move further to your personal life. डिजिटल डिटॉक्स होना चाहिए कंपलसरी हमारे लाइफ में. तो आप आपका किड्स के ऊपर ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा अप्रिसिएशंस भी देख सकते. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thanks a lot.
Tell me something about her achievement.
Okay, ma'am, her name is Arohi. Okay. Actually, the motivation to apply this Indian Book of Record is like, ma'am, her uniqueness. Actually, her uniqueness and her early accomplishments. Mm-hmm. In whatever she will do, ma'am, quickly she will learn the things. Mm-hmm. Like if you say something for the first time only, she will learn. Quickly she will learn. Mm-hmm. The curiosity of learning something. Mm-hmm. So that is quickly, ma'am. So that I observed. At the age of 2 years 5 months.
Okay. 6 months back, that means.
Yeah. 6 months back I observed, ma'am. Mm-hmm. One day what happened, ma'am? सोने के टाइम पे हम गाना गाते ना जनरली. So ऐसा different गाना गाते मैंने. So suddenly what happened, ma'am? One day she has given back to the song to me. मतलब वो मेरे के लिए गाना गाया. It is exactly the not same pronunciation. But the singing style is the same and the words or she tried almost 3 to 4 lines.
That's very good.
It's at the age of 2 years 5 months, ma'am. That I observed. And not only the one reason, ma'am. When we work in the kitchen, if I show the lighter, yeah, this is lighter, this is burner, this is glass, whatever the thing, ma'am, if I say for the first time, then she will remind and again she will only tell to me back.
Quick learner, that means.
Yeah, quick learner. Whatever the things she is learning quickly. So I observed what I have done, ma'am. I have given a proper training for 2 to 3 months.
Okay.
Means something useful we have to teach to her.
Right.
So what I had done, the pura Indian famous personalities who are the Indian famous personalities, Abdul Kalam, Lata Mangeshkar, the total things I taught her, and pura freedom fighters unko pata hai. So and body parts, Indian. She can tell all the Indian states and union territories, ma'am.
Wow.
By seeing in
It's
map.
very nice.
Yeah. Now she can tell Gayatri Mantra also.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
So you must have told her.
Yeah.
You must have taught
yes,
her actually.
Yes, ma'am.
Every day while sleeping, she used to sing a song of this Gayatri Mantra or anything, and by that she used to learn one by one. So like that, after a few days, she used to sing all.
Okay.
उनका IQ लेवल देख के मैम हमको क्या पता चला, जो है वो सीख रहे, वो यूजफुल होगा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा ये यंगर एज में.
हाँ.
सो उस टाइम मेरे को पता चला इंडियन बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड है ऐसा रिकॉर्ड होल्डर्स के लिए.
That's good.
So that we have applied for this record and we are very much we are feeling very much proud for this, ma'am. At this tender age, even she don't know the meaning of the record holder, but she got the record.
She got it.
Yes.
Yes. Actually क्या होता है, इस बच्चे को तो अभी नहीं मालूम, but as parents you must be knowing this thing कि how prestigious is this award.
Very much
So
proud.
of course we are also proud to have a kid like that. What challenges did you face when you were preparing for this record?
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for this wonderful question. Because, ma'am, I am working as a manager in Union Bank of India. It is a nationalized bank. He is a software engineer in MNC Tech Mahindra. We both are working, ma'am. And being a working woman, it is very tough, ma'am. It is very tough and very hard to teach something, to spend time with the kids. This is very tough. I have faced the challenges like we should be more patience, ma'am. Because kids वो एज में मैम उनको पता नहीं होता है, एक दिन में हमको केवल 10 मिनट देते.
Right.
वो 10 मिनट कब देते, हम उनके ऊपर नज़र देना है, कब देते वो 10 मिनट. बहुत ऐसा नज़र देख के मैम पूरा थक हो गए. मतलब एक दिन 24 आवर्स में एक 10 मिनट के लिए इतना हम मतलब उनको सिखाते, एग्जैक्टली वीडियो का टाइम पे उन्होंने हमको नहीं देते.
ये तो एग्जैक्टली होता ही है.
हाँ होता है. तो टू अप्लाई इनटू दिस सच प्लेटफॉर्म्स what it is called proof should be there, na ma'am. Proof should be there. So for that reason also I have faced many challenges like that. She should support and we should be more patient. This is the main challenge I have faced, ma'am. Sometimes in weekends, during weekends, ma'am, even we have done our brushing also at the time at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Because after teaching, after shooting, and that shoot also to get proper only. After getting proper shoot only, we have to do our works. We can do our works. So that is the thing, ma'am. We are facing these kind of challenges.
So we can say it's quality over quantity, isn't it? You gave her qualitative time, and that proved that she has done her best. I think we can. We would love to see some more things about her whenever she grows up, and within 1 or 2 years, we would love to hear from you.
Definitely.
Exactly, ma'am. This is just her life begin. Just
This is just starting.
just a start.
She's just 3
now,
year old.
Now she became famous in her school.
Exactly, bilkul.
They have posted in their Instagram, Facebook, and everything, and they have posted one big photo on the notice board.
That's good.
Social media. Also.
That impact you have got after getting the record from IBR.
Yes, exactly, ma'am. She became famous, and we became famous.
Yeah, all the school parents and teachers were asking about this, how she got that record, what you have done, how did you learn, and some parents children send to our home
They are
and
sending
with
their
books.
children to our home.
And her age is just 3 years. She don't know how to say, and how can she teach to that other?
It's wonderful thing.
Yeah, we felt very much happy on that day.
because of this, what will happen, ma'am? The confidence will gain in us and in her also. By after 1-2 years, she will become know that she got she is a record holder in Indian
Yes.
Book of Record. And before that also, of course, we will apply for other records also, and in Indian Book of Record only for other record, because ma'am, now I am teaching classical dance to her. I started teaching classical dance
good.
because I am a Kuchipudi dancer.
Okay.
Yeah, and she started learning Namaskar, basic steps and all. And ma'am, she know Gayatri Mantra. She can tell who is President of India, Prime Minister of India.
Okay.
This is my next level, ma'am. After this record, we started teaching all those things, and now she is learning Chief Ministers and Prime Minister, President of India.
That's very nice. Amazing. I think she's just 3 years old and she's doing wonders. So we would like to thanks on behalf of IBR. Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Thank you
giving
so
this
much,
opportunity.
ma'am. It's our privilege to visit this convocation program actually, because wantedly मतलब क्या है convocation program में, क्या है वो, क्या देते, क्या करते, सम्मान करते, क्या और क्या देते, और कुछ what I expected, ma'am, exactly here it has happened, because for next level the proper guidance we need, ma'am.
Of course.
The proper guidance we need. And here, after coming here, I came to know that this Indian Book of Record is also having connections with the Asia Book of Record, Vietnam Book of Record and everything. So we are very much surprised by knowing all these things now.
Okay, it's India Book of Records.
India Book of Record, yes.
So next time we will see that Ravtula will be doing wonders with ABR also,
Yes.
Asia Book of Records. Isn't it?
Thanks for that, ma'am.
Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you.